Hello everyone, this is Alpha Somani and I'm back with chapter number 6, My Own Reflection. It's a poem by Robert Louis Stevenson. So we have already completed the vocab part of the chapter. We have done the half of the chapter, half of the poem. And what happened in the poem? There's a kid, there's a child who is explaining how his shadow is, how his reflection is. एक छोटा बच्चा है जो अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से, अपने व्यू से एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है कि उसकी जो शैडो है, उसकी परछाई है, वो क्या है, क्या करती है, कैसी दिखती है. So all these views, all these notions, all these ideas are of a small child and he's explaining from his angle. He's explaining from his perspective. So, what are all we have learnt about the shadow? What all the child has explained till now about his shadow? That the shadow keeps moving with him, that the shadow sometimes the shadow it jumps like a taller ball, it moves taller like a Chinese rubber ball. Sometimes it becomes so small. The shadow looks like him from head to toe, and when he jumps into the bed, the shadow also comes with him. The shadow also jumps with him. So, these are all the qualities of the shadow which the child has explained till now. And now, also, I had given you the assignment. So, let's discuss the questions of the assignment. So, what makes the child so amused about the shadow? As the child's shadow, it keeps moving with him, so the child is very much amused by the shadow. बच्चे को उसकी shadow से इतना लाग लगाव क्यों होता है, उसको देख के उसको मजा क्यों आता है? क्यों? क्योंकि it keeps moving with him. The shadow keeps moving with him, so the child is very much amused by the shadow. Question number 2. What are the funny things about the shadow? What do you think are the funny things about the shadow? As the funniest thing about the shadow is how it likes to grow. Okay. Sometimes the shadow becomes too tall, sometimes it becomes very small. So the child finds it very funny कि छोटे जो बच्चे होते हैं वो तो धीरे धीरे बड़े होते हैं, but the shadow it grows in a weird way. Sometimes it becomes too big, sometimes it becomes too small. Question number 3. Why can't the shadow grow in the same way as a child grows? Shadow जो है वो बच्चे की तरह बड़ी या छोटी क्यों नहीं हो सकती? A child grows very slowly, right? A child grows in a very slow manner. Whereas the shadow grows, the growth of a shadow, it depends on the sun, it depends on the light. Okay. बच्चा जो है वो तो धीरे 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 बड़ा होता रहता है, बच्चा वापस छोटा नहीं होता, राइट? बट द शैडो कभी बड़ी हो जाती है, कभी छोटी हो जाती है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सनलाइट. Okay, so that's why the shadow it cannot grow according to the child. It cannot grow in the same way as a child. Okay, let's now continue with the poem where we left it. He hasn't got a notion of how children ought to play. Who is he here? He is the shadow. He is explaining about the shadow. The child is explaining about the shadow. And what does he say about his shadow? That he hasn't got a notion of how children ought to play. Notion means idea. उसको जो shadow है उससे कोई idea नहीं है कि बच्चे कैसे खेलते हैं, बच्चे खेलते हैं. बच्चों को सबसे ज्यादा पसंद क्या होता है? खेलना, right? What do you like the most? You like to play, right? So similarly, the child says that all the children like to play, all the children play all the time, but their shadow, it does not know that you have to play. शैडो को पता ही नहीं है कि कैसे खेलना होता है. शैडो खेलती तो नहीं है ना, खेलता तो बच्चा है. So the shadow, it does not know, according to the child, the shadow does not know that you are ought to play, कि खेलना भी होता है. शैडो खेलती नहीं, वो मेरे साथ साथ चलती रहती है बस पूरे टाइम. And can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. And what else does the shadow do? It makes a fool of him. Makes a fool of him means उसको उसका मजाक बनाना. किसका मजाक बनाना? जो चाइल्ड है, जो किड है, जो बॉय है, उसका मजाक बनाना. कौन मजाक बनाता है? The shadow. It makes fool of him. So the shadow, it makes fool of him in every sort of way. It makes the fool of the child. How does उसका मजाक कैसे बनाती है? जैसे आप किसी को चिढ़ाते हो, आप कैसे चिढ़ाते हो? जो सामने वाला कर रहा होता है वही आप करते हो, जो सामने वाला बोल रहा होता है वही आप बोलते हो, ऐसे आप चिढ़ाते हो ना, किसी को मजाक बनाते हो। सो सिमिलरली whatever the child does, the shadow also copies him. So that's why the child says that it makes a fool of me, ये मेरा मजाक बनाती है, पूरे टाइम जो मैं करता हूँ वो करती है। तो it's like he thinks that the shadow is making fool of me. He thinks कि shadow उसका मजाक बना रही है। He stays so close beside me. He's a coward, you can see. Coward means कायर, डरपोक। He stays so close beside me. The shadow always stays near me. The shadow always stays close to me. He's a coward, you can see. Shadow पूरे दिन भर मेरे साथ रहती है। ये बहुत डरपोक है। उसको लगता है कि shadow बहुत डरपोक है, इसलिए पूरे दिन भर मेरे साथ रहती है। I'd think shame to stick to Nursey as that shadow sticks to me. Nursey here means the nurse. जैसे डॉक्टर नर्स होता है वैसे नर्सी, जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं they call the nurse as nursey. Okay. I think shame to stick to Nursey as the shadow sticks to me. जैसे छोटे बच्चे नर्स से चिपके रहते हैं वैसे ही shadow it sticks to me, it keeps sticking to me. Okay. So what does the child says about the shadow? That आई स्टिक टू नर्सी। मैं जैसे जो छोटा बच्चा है वो नर्स से चिपका रहता है, जो नर्स उसका ध्यान रखती है उससे चिपका रहता है। इन अ सिमिलर वे दिस शैडो ऑल्सो स्टिक्स टू मी। वन मॉर्निंग, so this is all about what the child explains about the shadow. He it does not know you are ought to play. It does not know that children use play. It does not know. It makes a fool of him. It makes a fool of the child. This is all what the child is thinking. It stays close to him. So the child thinks that it is a coward, as it always stays close to the child. Now, this is what he has explained about the shadow. Now, what happens one morning? One morning, very early, before the sun rise up. एक दिन, एक morning, एक सुबह, बहुत जल्दी, sun उगने से पहले, I rose and found the shining dew on every shrub. I rose. I is who is I here? The kid. He rose. He woke up in the morning and he found a shining dew on every shrub. On every shrub there was little dews. Okay, little थोड़ी थोड़ी ओस थी। सारे छोटे छोटे पौधों पे ओस जमी हुई थी। आप जब सुबह सुबह उठते हो तब आप क्या देखते हो? घास के ऊपर, छोटे पौधों के ऊपर छोटी छोटी बूंदें होती हैं पानी की, ओस जिसे हम कहते हैं। So one morning when the child woke up, he saw that there is dew on every plant. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. लेकिन मेरी जो छोटी शैडो थी, मेरी जो लेजी शैडो थी, बहुत जो आलसी शैडो थी, इट केप्ट ऑन स्लीपिंग इन द बेड। सो मैं तो उठ के मॉर्निंग में, जब सूरज के उगने से पहले मैं तो उठ के चला गया, लेकिन जो मेरी लेजी शैडो थी, मेरी आलसी शैडो थी, माई स्लीपी हेड शैडो, स्लीपी हेड मीन्स a person who likes to sleep, a person who likes to sleep all the time. So what does he call the shadow? He calls the shadow lazy. He calls the shadow a sleepy head. So his sleepy head shadow, it stayed at home behind me and it was fast asleep in bed. So ये बच्चा क्या सोचता है, जब सुबह सुबह मैं बाहर गया सूरज के उगने से पहले, तो मैं तो सुबह सुबह उठ के चला गया, लेकिन मेरी आलसी जो शैडो थी, आलसी लेजी स्लीपी हेड जो शैडो थी, वो बेड में ही सोई रही। He stayed at home. He did not come out of the home. The shadow stayed at home and it was fast asleep in bed. और वो बेड में ही सोई रही शैडो। तो सुबह, as it was, as the sun did not come up, the child went outside in very early morning, right? The sun was not there, so the shadow was not there. But the child thinks that the shadow जो है वो अभी तक सो रही है, इसलिए नहीं आई है। उसको ये नहीं पता कि सन नहीं आया है इसलिए शैडो नहीं आई है। उसको ये लग रहा है कि शैडो अभी तक सो रही है। Because he's a little child, he's a very innocent child. Okay, so the shadow does not know that you are supposed to play. It makes fool of the child. It stays close to him. The child thinks that he's a coward and he keeps sticking to him. Like a small child sticks to a nurse, the shadow also sticks to the child. And in the early morning, it keeps sleeping. Like it keeps sleeping. Even when the child came out, the shadow was sleeping in the bed. This is what this is what this child thinks of its shadow. So our poem is complete, and you have to do assignment number 3 here. Poem is complete and you have to complete assignment number 3. For assignment number 3, you have to complete these 3 questions. Okay, so submit, complete these assignments, complete the assignment number 1, 2, and also this assignment and submit it on Scholars ERP. Thank you so much for today's lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.